Everyone, welcome to our channel. To my subscribers, thank you and welcome back. I'm Jay. This is From the Ashes Firearms Training. Got another training video coming at you. Ready, train smart. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. This week we're going to be talking about medical. We're going to take a little break here for a minute from our firearms training, and I want to bring you guys some medical training, just a little bit. I'm not going to get deep into actual training with you guys. We are going to be offering some classes on medical pretty soon. I would say within the next month. Actually, we're going to release that. And you guys are more than welcome to check out our website and sign up for some of those classes. One of them is going to be Stop the Bleed, super important. But anyway, I wanted to bring you guys this video this week just to touch upon some medical stuff for those of you out there that are not near me and can't take one of my classes. But before we jump in, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys have seen my videos before, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And don't forget to share these videos with everybody that you guys know so that I can help others as well. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, guys, medical, super important topic. All right, if you guys are like me and you guys are out there and you want to protect, right, you carry because you want to protect others and protect yourself, I would implore you to definitely think about having medical on you all the time, right? Just like you carry your firearm with you all the time, you should have some medical with you as well, all right? If you guys are going to help somebody out in the real world there, you are more likely, way more likely to be able to help somebody with medical than you are with your firearm, all right? That's just facts, right? Firearms are for last resort, okay? Medical, first resort, right? So it just makes sense there. So I'm just going to touch upon some stuff that you guys can at least start thinking about. Some of the stuff that I carry with me all the time, whether it's my EDC, which I have here, and I'll go through this with you guys in a little bit, or I'm out at the range training. You guys can see my stuff here. I always have medical on me. My range bag has medical in it. My kit here has a whole IFAC kit, medical there, and my belt also has a med kit here. And all of my med kits pretty much have the same stuff in it, and they're set up the same way, so it really doesn't matter what I'm doing, where I am, or what kind of training I'm doing. I know where my stuff is and what I have available to me. All right, super important. So let's just kind of jump into my EDC at least, and the stuff that I have in here is pretty much the same stuff that I have in all of my medical stuff. Right. First, this is a really nice ankle holster. I picked this up from Warrior Poet Society. They kind of made these things from scratch, and they're really awesome. But I'm not going to go crazy talking about it. I'll leave a link for it in the subscription of this video for you guys. Awesome stuff. Not to mention Warrior Poet Society. Awesome. If you guys enjoy my videos, you should definitely check out their videos if you haven't already. Way better than my stuff. All right. Anyway. This is just a ankle carrier, I guess, for all of my medical stuff, right? It's just Velcro here, and it wraps around my ankle, and it's got everything that I need to be able to help either myself or anybody else out there, right? So let's just kind of dive into what I have here, all right? So first things first, guys, tourniquet, all right? If you're not going to carry anything else, carry a tourniquet with you, all right? There's a bunch of different styles out there, but the cat tourniquets, these are the best. These are what we use in professional settings, military, police. These are awesome, all right? They come nicely packed, and then if you have a different kind of holder for it or whatever, you can set it up the way you want it. All right, guys, but tourniquets, they're really easy to apply. You can apply it yourself, especially if you have, an injured limb, especially a hand or whatever. You can utilize one of these without having to actually use the other arm, okay, and get this to work. All right, that's pretty much it, right? You get that as tight as you can with the Velcro. You're gonna take this thing here, and you're just gonna twist this, and twist it, and twist it, and twist it until you get the bleeding to stop, okay? And then you're gonna lock this in over here, take your Velcro and continue to wrap that over, locks that in, all right? And then you get a little piece here that kind of comes over the whole thing. It's really good to have a little marker with you so that you can timestamp when you put that tourniquet on, all right? Especially if you're, waiting for professional help to show up. They're not going to take that off, all right? But they're going to want to know when it went on, all right? Super important, guys, okay? So that's it. That's pretty much tourniquet right there. There's not really much to it. If you guys take a Stop the Bleed class, which they offer pretty much everywhere, all right? They'll teach you guys how to recognize when to use one of these in the first place, and then they'll teach you how to use one, all right? Where the placement is on each limb, where not to put them, and all that good stuff, right? We're definitely in my classes that we'll be teaching. This is definitely something that you guys will learn, right? Tourniquets. I also have links on my website to all this stuff right from Amazon. These are like $25, guys. They're not that expensive. If you're not going to carry any other medical, carry a tourniquet with you, right? Especially at the range. I also have, I call them chest darts. This is for professionals, guys. Like, you have to be trained in order to use these. So this is not something that, if you're not trained, you're not going to go out and buy these and use them. Okay, this is for trained professionals. All right, gloves. Always have gloves. Your safety first, obviously, is the most important, right? You can't help anybody unless if you're not taking care of yourself first. All right. I just have some more gloves in this other pocket here. The trauma shears. If you can, these are, again, awesome to carry with you because you want to be able to expose whatever injured site you're trying to work on, right? If you have some kind of wound in the leg or arm or chest, you want to be able to get that clothing off quickly, okay, so that you can expose the area and actually see what you're working with, right? So trauma shears, I always have these on me, and as you can see, I have them on all of my other kits as well, all right? Also in here is a nasal airway. This is just so that you can attempt to get some kind of patent airway if you have some kind of facial trauma or injury, or their tongue is occluding their airway. You can use one of these so that they can continue to get air in. Again, this is something you have to be trained to use, so don't go out and just get this stuff and think you're going to be able to use it without having some kind of training. All right, guys. Also in here, this is part of my, this is compressed gauze. This is going to be part of my pressure dressing. All right. This other side here is the other part of my pressure dressing. This is a 4-inch trauma dressing. All right. So you can use the gauze first, and you can pack a wound, and then you can take this, and it comes with a padded part that you can put on the wound itself over the compressed gauze, and then wrap this with some pressure on it, and this will continue to apply pressure over that wound. All right, good stuff. And then I have a chest seal in here, again, for open sucking chest wounds. All right, that's pretty much like any kind of trauma that we're going to be working with. This stuff really kind of covers it all, at least for the immediate, before professional help gets there. All right. Again, guys, this is I'm not diving into a training with you guys in this video. I just want to be able to put out there some ideas so that you guys can think about, number one, getting some training, okay? And number two, once you get that training, carrying some medical on you. Super important. Not only is it important for yourself, right, especially if you go to the range by yourself or whatever, but it's really, really important for anybody else, right? Again, if you're going to help somebody out there in the real world, you are more likely to be able to help them with this stuff than you are with that stuff. All right, guys, this stuff is cool and all, and train, right? That's what we're all about. But before we even get there, let's save some lives. All right, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. toggle notifications to all, shares, like I talked to you guys in the last video. And if you guys have any comments, leave them down below. If you want something, if you want to see something that I haven't done yet, leave those in the comments down below as well. I definitely will get back to you, and we will get those things done for you. All right, guys, be ready, train smart, and we'll see you next time.